Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create a shape on HTML page. Today's many website uses the different shapes. Creating the different shape as a HTML element, then the website performance is more faster. Also, if you zoom the browser, the shape pixels will not impact. So how can you create the shape on HTML page? Let's learn how you can do this. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. In the header section, we have to add the style. The style, we have to add the class name as a square. Then you have to add the width and height 100 pixels. The background color we have to mention here. I am added the gray color. Then the margin. The margin has a 50 pixel. This should be reflect on the elements outside of the space. So you can get the result of this HTML tags with CSS. Then you can create this shape. So I would like to create the round shape. So I have to copy and paste this. Change class name as circle. Then the background color, everything is same. Then we have to add one more property as a border radius. So the border radius should be 50%. So you can check it out. See, now the circle has been created. So we have to add one more shape as a ellipse. So I have to add one more as ellipse. So here width should be 200 pixels, height should be 100 pixels. Then we have to create container. Here we have to change the name as ellipse. So now you can check it out the browser. See, the ellipse shape has been properly created. In this way you can create the shape on HTML page. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.